Hey guys, welcome to Central Alps. If you're about to buy some new tires for your Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator, this video is for you. If the Venom Terra Hunter RTs have been calling your name and you want to know how loud they're going to be compared to your stock tire, we've got the perfect thing. This is what the stock tires are going to sound like. This is what the Venom Terra Hunter RTs sound like. This is what the stock tires are going to sound like. This is what the Venom Terra Hunter RTs sound like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and informative. If y'all have any questions, you can always comment, DM, call, show up in your truck. We always want to help y'all. Thank y'all so much. I'll see y'all again.